How can you use your data to make your business more efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable? Welcome to Data Bytes, hosted by Kagool, where we cover all that and more. I'm your host for today, Ionut, part of the Internet of Things and Mixed Reality team here at Kagool, and I'm going to present to you how easy it is to train an artificial intelligence model to improve your overall business processes. Deploy your model onto an IoT device called Azure Percept Development Kit. This device consists of a vision module and a speech module. Today, we're going to focus more on the vision integration on the edge. It enables you to easily deploy artificial intelligence module using cloud and run them at the edge. As you can see here, this is a service called Custom Vision. It enables you to easily train AI modules with a few clicks of a button. What I did, I captured a few images with three different kinds of instance soups. I tagged them by labeling each package here, and then I trained the model. Using a quick training feature. After deploying the model on the device, the result is that the camera module is now able to detect each type of soup using embedded AI running on the edge. In a business scenario, this can be used for inventory count and management purposes. We can also attach this device to a drone to automate this process, to be able to send the drones to do the stock count for us overnight. This makes your business processes more efficient and cost effective, allowing your employees to focus on high-level tasks rather than working on a repetitive low-level tasks like checking stock levels. This solution can be used in a retail and in a warehouse management environment. Thanks for watching Data Bytes with me, Ionut, hosted by Kagool. We hope you enjoyed this episode into how IoT can make your business processes more efficient. If you like the episode and want to stay in touch with our updates, please follow us on LinkedIn.